Alright, so welcome back to another episode of Autohrycfix. Guys, we did it. We're here. We're on step number 5, wax and cleanup. For those of you who are just joining in for the first time, I've been going through a little bit of a series, rebuilding and restoring my 1997 Honda Civic. And yeah, so what we've done, I replaced the battery, I repaired the brake lines, replaced the cross member. Last episode we did a little bit of a routine maintenance, changing spark plugs, oils, things like that. So now we're here and we're going to start cleaning it up. As you guys can see, the engine bay needs a little bit of cleaning. We're also going to wax the car with my favorite wax, and at the end of that episode I'll give you a little tour and hopefully you guys see the difference. So let's go ahead and let's start doing this. Alright, to start we're going to be cleaning the engine bay. What I'm going to be using is a clean flow product, which is to clean the engine, and I'm going to be using a paintbrush. I'll go ahead and just spray everything. I'm going to clean it up with a paintbrush, maybe using a rag, and then I'm going to use my high pressure water pressure hose to clean everything off and then blow it dry. Make sure that no water stays in the alternator. Alright, so I'm excited. Alright, so engine bay is done, car is washed, but I won't show you the engine bay just now. You're going to have to stay tuned for that. What we're going to do next is we're going to put it in the backyard and wax it, and yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so here we are back in the backyard, and we're going to start waxing the car. As you guys know, I'm a very good fan of Meguiar's, and I've used this wax before, and I'm going to keep using it. This video is not sponsored, but if anything, Meguiar's, you know, I like your stuff. I use all of it. You guys can use any wax that you are more familiar with, but I'm using my Meguiar's. I'm going to go ahead and wax the car. It's pretty basic. You apply the wax on the applicator that comes with it, and you wipe it off with the towel that it comes with as well. So you're just going to want to put it on circular motion and wait 15 minutes, and you just buff it off. So we're going to go ahead and make this car look beautiful. Alright, so there you have it. We're done waxing the car. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. We're just going to pull it out into the driveway where it's sunny on the other side. I'm going to give it one last wipe down, make sure that all the wax is like evenly spread out throughout the car, and then I'll give you guys a tour of how it looks. Alright? And there you have it, out in the sun. Look how beautiful she looks. Look how good she looks next to the S2000. And yes, as you guys might notice, I went with red calipers. And I painted the drums red as well. Alright guys, and the moment you've been waiting for, I'm going to open the hood and check it out. There you go. I know it doesn't look like super like brand new, but I just cleaned it up as best as I could. We tidied up the valve cover, we cleaned up the air filter box, I repainted the stabilizer bar. I left some of the anti-rusts on the shock towers and on the back walls because I don't want the car to obviously rust, and I'm gonna go and get it reshoot it again for anti-rust spray. So there you have it. All right, so there you have it. Cleaned up, washed, and waxed. I'm pretty happy with the outcome. For 1997, the red is really popping. And as you saw before, thanks for everyone who voted. I ended up going with the red calipers and drums. I went that way just that felt like it really popped out. But thanks for everybody for voting. So yeah, our to-do list is done for now. There was a few other things that I noticed while I was working on the car that need to be done. So in future videos, I'll go ahead and show you those things. I hope you guys enjoyed this journey that we took together, reviving my 1997 Honda Civic. I know that the two quarter panels in the back are quite rusted and need to be replaced. I've emailed a few companies and I'm waiting back from them to see what we can do with that. That'll be some future videos. So again, thanks everybody for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. It will really help my channel to grow so I can bring you guys content like this. Have a great day, all right? Bye guys, till next one.